So I was getting ready to put the front bumper on the car, and I was just really excited about this because it's all going to be silver again. And I went down to the wrecking yard and got these parts, the fenders and stuff. I was able to reuse the driver's side fender from the car, the original fender there. But the front bumper from the V6 has little rubber slat things that go where the fog lights would be on a GT. It's basically the same bumper, and it just has those little rubber lines that block out the fog light holes. And I was cutting those out because I want to put the fog lights back in this car, so I just cut those and chucked them out. So that was just something I had to do next. So then I hung the front bumper on the car, and I've had the bumper on a few times just to make sure that it fits and everything. And if you notice, I don't have the actual bumper on the car behind the bumper cover, so I will go back and put that on the car. That's definitely something that needs to be on there for safety reasons, but I was just trying to hang this all up and see how it fit on the header cowl and everything, and make sure that the header panel had the well, like slots for little push pins and things, and just go through. But I really wanted to get these Bullitt wheels on the car, and I wanted to do that here in the driveway. That's why I had the car pushed over here so that I could do this without having to do it on the gravel. And I did use my impact gun to zip these things off, but it's actually kind of funny. I was gonna edit this part out of the video, but I thought I might as well show everybody. But when I took these wheels off, I was so excited to get them off because they are like trailer tires and trailer wheels, and they just look so ugly on this car, and I couldn't wait to get the Bullitt wheels back on there. But I was so excited, I chucked them away, and then I noticed that it started headed right for a car in the road, so I had to chase after it. And just shows how funny that was, or kind of dumb. But it was actually it was a parked car, so it's not like I ran into danger into the road or anything. But it was a it was headed right for it. I'm surprised how that trailer tire can stand up and roll so well. I thought it was just going to flop over, but these Bullitt wheels were actually on my other silver Mustang GT. If you remember, I had also bought a set of premium '01 Cobra style GT wheels that I had on that car, and those were the wheels that were on it when I sold it. But I did buy these, and they actually came off of a silver metallic convertible Mustang GT. So these wheels have been on 3 silver GTs, kind of cool. But I just love the Bullitt wheels, and I think that these are the greatest looking wheels for a Mustang GT, and I'm just really excited to get these on. The front wheels that I had on this car were from the '97 Mustang GT that I owned, and my friends owned these wheels. They owned the car. They gave me the car. I put a new engine in it, and then I sold it back to them, and they still had these original wheels, and they gave them to me because they were going to put them in the landfill. I made a video about cleaning them up. They've done exactly what I wanted to have them for, and that's using them on Mustang project cars, and so I'm sure they'll be used in the future some more too. But so I thought that was kind of cool, and I took those wheels with me when I picked up this car because it was sitting on a blown out front trailer tire on the front is what the guy had the car sitting on, and a spare tire from the trunk on the other side. So I was glad I had those extra wheels just to put on the front of this car down there where I picked up the car and drive it up onto the trailer with it. So anyway, getting these Bullitt wheels on, I'm just really excited about it. I think they look great. So here we are, going to drop the car down for the reveal of how good it looks. And I am very pleased. I think it looks awesome. There was a silver Mustang GT just like this in my neighborhood when I was growing up. It was probably an '01 to '02. But I would see it, and I was really excited about it. I really liked it. I thought it was a great color back then. I was kind of deciding what I wanted in a Mustang. Of course, I couldn't afford anything back then, so this car reminds me of that car that was in my neighborhood, so now I get to enjoy owning it. So here I did the same stupid thing where I took off the wheel, and I thought, okay, if I just chuck it behind me, nothing's going to happen, right? Well, it bounced up and it rolled into the street towards the neighbor's house. So I jumped up and ran after it. And I showed this to my kids and my wife, and they laughed so hard, and they just thought how stupid and funny it was. But, you know, I'll admit when I make a mistake, but at least I got it before it went, you know, all the way across the street. But it was headed towards my neighbor's truck. So I was like, gosh, I mean, it was in the driveway, so I don't think it would have been able to go all the way up into the driveway. But it could have. I'm surprised though, like I said, how those trailer tires can bounce and roll so well and stay upright. I just wouldn't expect that. So just continue to put these wheels on the car. Now it'll look like a nice car in the driveway too, so the neighbors can see a nice looking car instead of, you know, kind of a junky looking Mustang with weird wheels on it and stuff. So the appearance looks really good, and you can see it doesn't have the headlights or the spats for the side skirts in the front yet, but that will all come very quickly. But I just was really happy to get these on. We go, lower down the car, and just be really excited to see it on Bullitt wheels. And these are the same wheels that this car came with. They're not the original wheels to the car, but they are exactly the same. They are even the 0304 style, which is the darker gray Bullitt wheels. So very happy to see the car like this. I'm very excited, and it's looking a lot better now, coming together. A lot of people wouldn't even know what this car has been through. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out the other playlists and everything that I have on the channel, and the playlist on this car if you haven't caught everything that I've done with it. And stay tuned for more Mustang content.